Quick reading for January the 21st to the 22nd, Libra. So we have the Seven of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. Whether this is tototohanin or hindi, this is a very Libra energy, no? What you thrown at to me, I might probably thrown back to you, probably 3 times fold, 10 times fold. If that is not karma, then I'm going to do it my way. Kasi parang giving a taste of their own medicine ang nakikita natin dito. Um, Either nagselos ka naman, or parang ganun din gagawin mo pag seselosin ko to. Yun nga lang ang sakit dito, kapag bumawi na si Libra is more of baka kasi um, mas malala yung gawin niya. Yung sa'yo, pinagselos mo lang ako medyo tototohanin ko to. Yun lang naman ang medyo masakit doon. Kaya kung if you have probably, naiisip-isip nyo na gumawa ng hindi maganda kay Libra, ay mag-isip-isip kayo ng mabuti, no? So this is your quick reading, Libra, for January the 21st to the January of 22nd.
Predicting future isn't my purpose.